this is James Jokum, host of Webcomics Reviews and Interviews. Today's tip of the day, a Tell 2 soup. When it comes down to it, soup is the ideal food for whenever you're sick. It's already liquid, so you already know it's basically going to go into your digestive system. All you have to do is be able to hold it down. On top of that, well, you want to keep hydrated. Well, soup is definitely going to help you there. We're going to basically be dealing with tomato soup and chicken noodle soup, and we're going to keep it nice and easy. Tomato soup is really simple. You have to make a decision on your dairy, but it's basically just going to be a straight tomato sauce in a bowl. Figure out what kind of dairy you want. I personally prefer good old-fashioned blue cheese crumble because it gives a nice little funk to the soup. So what I'll do is I'll take basically a handful of blue cheese crumbles, put them into the bottom of the bowl, cover that with some tomato sauce, put a paper towel on that to avoid, well, splash damage, and then basically nuke it for about 4 minutes. As soon as it comes out, stir it up with a spoon, and hey, you've got a really great tomato soup. The other version, of course, is that you basically just nuke the tomato sauce by itself and then throw in a cup or so of sour cream. That gives you a nice little tangy thing going on. Hey, you're good to go. If you want to go something a little bit lighter, obviously you can just go with straight cream. Obviously this is to taste and just have a little bit of fun with it. Chicken noodle is a little bit more complicated, but at the same time you get all those really nice vegetables in there, so definitely worth it. What you're going to want to do is start off with either a couple of cups of chicken stock or vegetable stock. Yeah, you can pretty much start off with just water, but if you do that, you're going to miss out on a lot of nutrients that the broths have. So just go ahead and boil that, and while you're doing that, chop up some vegetables. Obviously you want to do the usual carrots and celery if you possibly can, maybe a few others. Whatever you like, hey, go have fun with it. You want to throw a little bit of oregano, a little bit of basil? Definitely go for it. A little bit of garlic, hey, anything is in there. Just make sure you put a little bit of salt and pepper in there for flavor. When that starts boiling, throw in a double handful of noodles, any kind, and just let them boil off till they're ready. Somewhere in here, you might want to add in some sort of protein. A few strips of chicken, for example, some egg, pretty much anything will work, but definitely chicken is traditional. Tofu is a good secondary. And hey, let it simmer for a minute or two, let it cool down, and hey, you've got a really great chicken noodle soup. I hope this has helped. If it has, please check me out at Webcomics Reviews and Interviews, available at any podcast distributor near you. Thank you, and have a great day.